So we're factorising expressions, and we've seen two avenues of attack, if you like. The first one is to look for a common factor across all terms. The second method of attack is to look for common factor in just a couple of the terms. Sometimes we might be lucky and we recognise from this expression here our difference of two squares. Remember last time when we expanded these brackets out, we found the answer was a squared minus b squared. So if I happen to see the expression is a squared minus b squared, I can immediately factorise it by going in reverse. So let's just say recognising the difference of two squares is a factorisation technique. So sitting in here, a squared minus 16 I recognise as a squared minus 4 squared. And so according to this becomes a plus 4, a minus 4. And there it is, factorised, written as the product of two terms. And if I were to multiply that out, a squared minus 4a plus 4a, they cancel, minus 16. And so these next two examples are exactly the same. The important thing to do, I guess, is to write it out as the difference of two squares. So the number here, this is 2y all squared, and this is 3x all squared. Once you've done that, you can say, look, this is 2y minus 3x, 2y plus 3x. And of course it doesn't matter if you put the plus term first then the minus, because it doesn't matter what order you do your multiplication in. So you can write it either way. And likewise in C, 8x squared minus 18y squared. Now, sitting there, that doesn't look immediately, it looks close to a difference of two squares, but it's not quite. But of course, we haven't forgotten our other factorisation techniques. We can actually see a common factor across all the terms here, because 2 is a common factor here. So I can now write that as 2 lots of 4x squared minus 9y squared, using my common factor. Now this looks nicely like a difference of two squares, because this is 2 times, now that's 2x all squared minus 3y all squared. So that now becomes 2 lots of 2x plus 3y, 2x minus 3y. So in each case, I just made use of this. So recognising a difference of two squares becomes a factorisation technique for us.